Hello, dear student, and my Facebook account friend, all people who is the red blossom. I am saying Shumon, my district Rajbari, and my home district Baliakandi. I live in Baliakandi beside the village. Okay, let's go follow my camera. Morning time, the nice place, open road beside the tobacco crops. Nice place, the nice blossom yellow color. Okay, let's go. Now seeing my onion, and no man working in the field. All round the field, white color the tobacco. In this my onion, 6 bigha land onion. Okay, my father and I also total 32 people's 4 days cover feet on onion the field. Okay, let's go follow my travel. Total 6 bigha field. It's in 1 bigha put paste onion. My field beside the plum tree. The nice bird name her Weber. They are nest. They are everybody night rest the Weber bird. Okay. Thank you, my all friends. Goodbye.